Hey everyone, I wanted to jump on and create a video to help you better understand core web vitals and how to find them. Core web vitals are super important because they are going to significantly impact your website's ranking organically. Google rolled these out to essentially give each landing page on your website a grade. URLs that need improvement, URLs that are poor, and URLs that are good. So I'm going to show you how to find how Google determined your page's user experience. So if you haven't heard of Google Search Console, you are going to navigate to search.google.com/search-console, and you should be able to log in. Now, when you get here, you're going to see a whole list of options on the left-hand side of your screen. Navigate to under Experience, Core Web Vitals. You're going to click on it. Okay, here we go. You can see exactly when the Google last pulled and updated this report, and then you can see mobile and desktop landing page grades. So you can see this particular website has 66 poor URLs, 0 that need improvement, and 0 good URLs. Now, if you are managing this yourself, don't freak out. Just go to Open Report, and you're going to be able to see exactly the 66 poor URLs and then the issues that need resolved. Hopefully you're working with a developer or an agency, and then you can quickly use this export button to export this information and email them both mobile and desktop core web vital rankings. Now, if this is not set up and when you logged in, it's asking you to connect and integrate your website, you're just a little farther behind. And so I plead for you to get a developer, get an agency if you can't resolve this yourself, because Google is going to start rolling out this update here at the end of June that is going to significantly impact your page showing up in search results if you have a lot of poor URLs, especially on mobile. So if you need help with this, visit our website at guardianowldigital.com, or feel free to leave a comment asking for more help, and our team will be with you. And again, we just want to help educate you on this, and hopefully this was helpful in showing you where to find core web vitals, why this is important if you have poor landing pages, because it's going to directly impact your ranking as well as, of course, your page experience when consumers are navigating to your website. Hope this is helpful, and as always, have a great day.